I know you're planning on your next trip. Let me tell you an idea. Imagine yourself waking up to golden beaches, sipping the world's finest tea, going on safari, elephants, leopards roaming free, beautiful landscapes, and of course, delicious food. This is Sri Lanka. Now you can book your next vacation to Sri Lanka with Asia Vacation Group. This package is included with all the highlight places of Sri Lanka. Sigiriya, the Lion Rock, Dambulla, the Rock Cave and the Temple, the ancient kingdom of Polonnaruwa, Kandy, the Temple of Tooth Relic. Enjoy some world's finest tea in Nuwara, the world famous train ride in Yala, and also some wildlife safari in Yala National Park. All of these covered in 9 days with return flights included, airport transfers, accommodation in 3-star and 4-star hotels with dedicated transportation and English speaking guides. Oh, I forgot to tell you, now you can book this special 9-day vacation to Sri Lanka from just $1,999. Yep, you heard it right. All our tours are expertly crafted for small groups so you can enjoy the comfortability throughout the journey. And also you can book with confidence with our 7-day change of mind guarantee. Visit asiavacationgroup.com today and book your next vacation to Sri Lanka with us. And make sure to check out our other tour packages as well. So pack your bags and get ready to say Ayubowan. That's hello in Sri Lankan.